Hi friends, today we're walking into the Independence Palace. It was built on the site of the colonial era Norodom Palace, designed by award-winning architect Ngor Viet Thu. It began construction on July 1962 and was inaugurated on 31st October 1966. The palace served as a residence and office to Nguyen Van Thieu, second president of the Republic of Vietnam. Independence Palace has since become a historical symbol representing total victory in the resistance war against the United States of America. The liberation of the South and the reunification of the country on 30th April 1975, when tanks of the Vietnamese Liberation Army famously crashed through Independence Palace's main gate. The flying of the blue and red flag with a yellow star on the palace roof marked the demise of the Republic of Vietnam or government. The design of the Independence Palace harmoniously combines the principles of modernist architecture with traditional Oriental design. Modern materials and techniques were used to create simple but delicate lines which capture the traditional philosophy and personality of the Vietnamese nation. Located in a 12-hectare compound land occupying an area of 4,500 meters square, the place has three main floors, two mezzanine floors, a terrace, a helipad, and a ground floor and a basement. The usable area is 20,000 square meters and there are almost 100 rooms. Each room is decorated differently depending on its intended function, yet still complements the overall architecture of the palace. If you go to the ground floor, bunker, there you can find command center, backup radio, communication center, president's bedroom, president's war room, security room. On the ground floor you will find kitchen, souvenir shops, Jeep, Mercedes-Benz from the collection of the president, children's center, shooting gallery, documentary film screening room. On the first floor there's a cabinet room, state banqueting hall, central staircase, conference hall. On the second floor you can find National Security Council chamber, presidential office, presidential reception rooms, vice president's reception room, vice president's office, presidential bedroom, ambassador's chamber, private apartments. On the third floor you can find a library, first lady's reception room, cinema hall, games room. And on the fourth floor there is a salon of the four cardinal directions and helicopter. Also at the third floor you can find living rooms, bedrooms. The cost visiting is just 40,000 Vietnamese dong, approximately less than $2. Worth visiting. This is bedroom of presidents. This is place he was watching TV, talking to people. Sleeping couch, wow. The sound of insects outside, amazing. Kitchen and bathroom together.